Mwaka thutha uria ungi bururi wa Kenya ukoretwo ugiikara na hahu ya ikuo cia mahiũ na andu makiria aria maikaraga icigo-ini iria nyumu kuri riu mwaka uyu honge cia urathi wa riera irutite mukana ungi wa kugumirwo ni ng'aragu. Gukiri uguo riu thirikari ni yambiriirie kwarira mitaratara itiganite ya kugiririria ugwati uyu kuria ministry ya urimi ikirite mukonde kumbo gwa kamiti ya mwanya ya guthitira bururi kumana na ng'aragu. Kamiti iria gutongorio ni munini wa president Prof KITHURE Kindiki.
We have a technical team that is working on this to ensure that we can be able to do that, to align with our current situation in the country. Because you appreciate that some of the requirements, some of the issues we are facing had not been envisaged at the time that the program was designed. But there are also activities that were designed to continue that cannot continue during a drought. For example, if it's a question of selling animals, we have to come from selling animals to saving the animals.
Kuringana na minister wa urimi Mutahikagwe, miruri ya ng'aragu ni yambiriirie kuhuha makiri icigo-ini iria nyumu. Riu thirikari ikiambiriria mubango wa gutithiriria ikari icigo ici o hamwe na arĩithia mahiũ aria kaingi matigagwo na ugwati wa kurwo ni mahiũ mao.
We know that there are counties that are now facing a drought and consequent issues that come up because of lack of rainfall, including the fact that we are beginning to lose animals in some counties. Some people are beginning to go hungry, and we know that there is an all-government approach that is dealing with this matter. But as a sector of agriculture within the broader government effort, is also we recognize that we sit in a special place in that aspect.
Kuringana na minister wa wira wa muingi Geoffrey Roko uria uraragia kaunti ya Marsabit, gutire mukenya ona umwe ukurwo ni muoyo wake kuona bururi uri na irio cia kuigana makombe-ini maguo. Riu wa Kenya makiurio kuhura ripoti kuri wathani wa matura kuria guothe kungibatarikana uteithio wa irio.
Hakuna mkenya yeyote kona yote ya nchi yetu anapaswa kukuwa na njaa juu kuna kiangazi. Tukipata ripoti ya kwamba kijiji fulani, sub-county fulani inahitaji chakula, tutahakikisha kwamba mimi kama waziri ambaye anasimamia hiyo kitengo nitahakikisha kwamba ile amri ambayo nimepewa na rais wa taifa imefanyika mara moja ya kuhakikisha kuna chakula ya kutosha.
Sababu wenye wako na njaa ni wengi sana. Ninakuomba mambo ya chakula mtuweke hapo mbele kila kona ya hii county wapate chakula.
Tafarira taino ya urimi mwena wa Gala na Kulalu ikahorirwo ndebete tafarira igukura Kenya hatikaini ya ng'aragu ya gwicokera mwaka thutha uria ungi. Tafarira ino ikiambiriria guciara maciaro ma magetha mebebainie makiria mabebe.
Land subdivision have rendered a lot of areas economically unviable for farming anymore. You know, there are places, for example, who are growing 300 acres of wheat. But because of subdivision, now there is only 15 acres each, and you cannot mechanize 15 acres of wheat. That's why we are talking about large-scale mechanized farming to feed our nation, import substitution, as well as export from our country.
Hadina KAMITI TV, Thirikari wa Mwagi.